Good morning parents. We are successfully running our online classes. If you want to share your views, kindly contact us. Thank you. Hi kids, good morning. How do you feel about the weather that is so cool? So you should not come out from your house. So play in the houses. So shall we complete the circle time? So come. So which month is this? This month is August. What's this? August. And the day is Monday. The day is Monday. Monday. The date is 17. The date is 17. So today the month is August, the day is Monday and the date is 17. A humble request from parents, as kids are staying at home, we need your cooperation for building the handwriting task. Kindly lend your cooperation for the same. Kids, let's start our writing task. So we are going to begin this with standing line. The first pattern is standing line. Look at the board. Standing line. Standing line means the objects which are in standing position. Look at ma'am. Ma'am is standing now. So I mean standing position. The object which are in standing position are similar to this standing line. So shall we see the example? If you look at the trees are standing. So the tree is in standing position. Our next pattern is sleeping line. Sleeping line. Do you remember when you are sleeping? When you are sleeping, you are lying in horizontal position. So the object which are lies in horizontal position is similar to the sleeping line. So this is sleeping line. So shall we see the example for the sleeping line? Pencil. So if you hold the pencil, this is duster. I am holding this duster in this position. So this is sleeping line. If I hold this duster in this position, this is standing line. This is standing line, and in horizontally, this is sleeping line. So shall we go to the next line? So can you guess what am I drawing? Yeah, this is mountain. Have you seen the mountain? So, what's this? Slanting line. Slanting line, and this is another slanting line. These two slanting line gives zigzag line. This is zigzag. Goes up and down. Up and down. So, what's this? Zigzag. What's the line? Zigzag line. And the last pattern is curve line. Curve. What's this? Curve. Look at the pattern. This is curve. What's this? Curve. This pattern is curve pattern. Note to the parents. Kindly draw parallel lines and give it to your kid to start the writing task. So let's start writing. So start with the upper line and touch the lower line. So what's this pattern? Standing line. What's this? Standing line. Write along with me. Standing line. Say and write. Standing line. Say and write. Standing line. standing line, standing line, standing line. Shall we go to the next line? Next line is sleeping line. It should be between these two lines. Sleeping line. Left to right, sleeping line. Say and write, sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping. So shall we move to the next line? Slanting line. Here from the upper line, slightly come downwards and touch the lower line. Slanting line. Slanting line. Slanting line. Say and write, slanting line. Slanting line. Slanting line. Slanting line. Slanting line. Slanting line. So shall we go to the next line? The next line is curve line. So draw like me. Curve line. Say and write, curve line. Curve. 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 We are going to draw few more patterns which are used for cursive formation. L pattern. What's the pattern? L pattern. Pattern is U pattern. So when we are writing these patterns, make sure you have to touch these lines. So next pattern is curve. Do it along with me. Curve. So practice these patterns at home. In the next session, we will start to write the alphabets. We will meet in the next session. Until then, it's bye from Venu.